In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the background remover here in Canva. Now, this is really easy to do, and there's a couple of different ways that we can do this. First off, we have our image. We click onto the image, we can come up to Edit, and we're going to find Background Remover just here. Now, we're also going to find it in the toolbar just here where it says BG Remover. Now, please be aware that you can only use the background remover if you have a Canva Pro account. Now we know this is a Canva Pro feature because it has that little crown icon next to it. But from here, all we have to do is click on BG Remover. It takes a second and there we go. The background has now been removed. Now, if we come back over to Edit and if we click on BG Remover, we do have a few different options. So if there's a couple of bits in the picture which you don't like, you can click on Erase. You can play with the brush size like this, and then you can go through and clean up the edges that you might have missed. Now let's go backwards because that was perfect, but then once done, we click on Done, and there we go. So that's just how simple it is to use the background remover here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and watch this playlist packed of Canva tutorials.